Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again. It's been a while I posted here. Well, it's good to be back. Okay, so we're going to be doing we're going to be going to the market. I have this contract, very little contract. It's a birthday party, and we're going to be making varieties for them, or we are going to be making a few things for them. So we're going to be going to the market. We're going to do a little survey, then we are also going to be checking out some packaging materials we're going to be using for the dishes. Okay, so let's head over to the market now to get a few things to use for the birthday party. Alright, let's go. So guys, it's been very hectic walking around in the market, you know. So I was able to get a few things today. I'm going to be getting some tomorrow. Okay, so let's look at what we got. You want to make sure you have your own car. Like, it makes life easy. Man, I just came back, so let me show you what we got from the market, and we're not done. Morning guys, so we are heading over to the market again to get some of the things we couldn't get to yesterday. Oh, sorry. And that's basically because we couldn't buy them yesterday. If we should buy it yesterday, it's going to spoil or dry out, so I'd rather buy them fresh today, so we'll be getting chicken and other things. Okay, so yeah, the chicken will not basically spoil. What is that? There's no light. This is Nigeria.
make am.